What's going on, guys? Dave with another Raceland tech tip. Today we are going to be talking about spring bind, and this primarily happens on the front coilovers, and we're going to explain why that potentially happens and then also how to solve that. Now, when the coilover is installed, most applications, the shock and spring is actually going to twist with the turn of the wheel. It's going to rotate with the hub. There are a few applications where it is mounted on the control arm where it doesn't move. In those cases, this isn't going to be an issue. So when the coilover and spring turn, the top mount is going to be mounted to the upper tower, and that is going to stay stationary. So vehicle manufacturers install a bearing that goes between the top mount and the spring so that when this stays stationary and the hub and shock twist together, that they rotate smoothly. Now, what spring bind is that when you have an issue with the bearing, maybe possibly the bearing is installed incorrectly, or it's worn out, or not installed at all, and you only have the upper strut mount installed, there's nothing that's going to allow that shock and spring to rotate smoothly. So what happens is that the hub will force the shock to move and will basically make that spring jump and twist into place. And what this does is it creates a twang noise that you hear inside the vehicle, and that's going to be what is known as spring bind. Now, the simple way to solve this is obviously make sure that you've got a good working bearing installed in between your spring and your upper mount, and make sure that that's orientated in the correct location. If you have that installed incorrectly, you could potentially hear that noise. So guys, if you have any questions regarding spring bind, shoot us an email, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.